Building a great tech team is hard. It's also vital to success, especially for early stage startups. But what if you could skip the build process entirely and jump right to the end? That's one of our visions here at InfoTechID, and we built our tech-ready teams for hire with the purpose of doing just that. By empowering individuals that already work well together through personal or professional relationships and giving them the tools to present their team as a single unit, we enable organizations to examine entire tech teams who are already established and ready to go. Organizations that provide tech-based services can also promote their existing teams, highlighting knowledge, abilities, and resources for discovery. Combine all this with our granular search system, and you have a whole new way to instantly review and acquire an entire team of talented individuals. At InfoTechID, we're changing the narrative when it comes to finding tech talent. InfoTechID. Tech talent lives here.